Alright guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show us how to register a paystack account. Because a lot of people have really wanted to start doing business with paystack, but they don't really know how to go about it. I've gotten so many people who have asked me that please I should show them how to register paystack, or I should show them how to use paystack. Now in this video I'm not going to be going deep into registering paystack, into using paystack, but I'm going to show us the registration processes. Then in other videos we will now talk about how to use paystack properly. There are so many things you can do with paystack. You can collect money on paystack, you can collect your things on paystack, you can do anything you want to do on paystack. It is just a big world, a large world for business. Alright, so let's go straight in as I show you how to register your paystack account. As you enter your paystack, you just see a lot of things here telling you about different experiences with paystack, what you can do with paystack. Give your customer a gift of modern frictionless, painless payment. Integrate PayPal once and let your customer pay however you want. They can pay with card, bank account, transfer, USD, Visa, QR code, money, mobile money, POS. Now this one is coming soon. Enjoy phenomenal transaction and the rest. You just go through the whole process, and then once you have done that, you just come on, either click here and say create now, create free account, or you click here and say create free account. You just click and it will bring you here, right, to bring you here to where you are. Now you can select your country. Now they have 3 countries here that they serve Ghana, Nigeria and South Africa. Depends on the country which you are in. Alright, so if you are in Nigeria, you just click on Nigeria, which I am Nigeria, so we are going to use Nigeria. Alright, so they will ask for your business name. I'm gonna add let me use trade key. Okay, let me use Bookland Resources. Alright, so Bookland Resources is there. Alright, so my first name, use it, Shuka. My last name, let's see, alright, so my email address, I'm going to have it like this. So my password, alright, so I have other ones because I've registered for people and for myself. So okay, so I have let's use this. So you have to use uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, special characters like heart, hash and the rest. Then 8 minimum, it must be 8 passwords, 8 characters. Alright, so I'm using mine now. Alright, so there is no okay, so I've used my own characters and that is it. So it's complete now. So you said are you a software developer? If you are, say yes you are. If you are not, just say no. Alright, so say no and click create account. Now okay, an error code. Okay, I've used this email before. Okay, let me see the email I've not used. Skip. Do I have to change the name of the company? This is my dropshipping company. Alright, so for other countries, right, if you are in other countries, sorry, I have to go back to this, sorry I didn't see this earlier. If you are in other countries, you can click other countries and it will show you different countries that okay, it will show you other countries, but they have not launched in all these countries. Let me know when paystack launches in, they have not launched in all the other countries yet. Those 3 countries are the major ones they have launched. All right, so we have done here. So let's click on register now, and as you register, all right, so it brings us here. Now when it brings us here, you see this. I will explain this later, right? I will explain this later. So your business is in test mode. You can start using paystack right away to activate your payments, submit compliance forms. All right, so you have to submit something that is called compliance forms. Just click on got it. All right, so the next thing is for you to activate your business. Sorry about that, those are my notifications, so sorry about that. So the next thing is for you to click on activate business. Now you're going to click on activate business, and it will bring you to where you activate your business. All right, so trading name, description, we are a company that deals on fitness equipment and products. And your description is just to talk about a little bit about yourself. Then staff size, you say 1 or 2, 5. Let's use 1 to 5. Mine is not as large, it's just 1 or 2 people or 3 people or 5 people running it by now. All right, so on this thing you say commerce, you choose which sector you are in, which industry you are in. For me, I'll choose commerce because there's nothing like internet stuff there. All right, I'll choose commerce. Category, digital goods, physical goods. I'll choose physical goods because we sell physical goods. But if you are into automobile, you are into digital goods like ebooks and the rest, you are into physical goods like physical goods, we sell physical goods. You are into real estate, you are into digital services like Facebook. You help people to run digital services like Facebook, management and the rest. That is where you use this. Legal services for law, physical services, professional services. So I'm going to choose digital goods. So as I choose digital goods, they'll ask me business type, register business, know my business, start a business. All right, so now he said accept up to this account will accept up to 2 million naira transfer without business registration document. Is fine by me. I'm not doing more than that, although if I'm doing more than that, I have to update my business. All right, because we have not registered in CAC yet, so that's why we are using this method. All right, so let's go. We click on save. Now this is everything we have done so far. This is everything we have done so far. All right, we click on next, and now we have to have a support email. So what is our support email? Let me still try this, bookland@gmail.com. Let me still try it. Dispute, let's still use that. Okay, let me use the first one. Keep fit hacks at gmail.com. all right, okay, so in this one we ask for your phone number 657376607. This number is not really active. Website, okay, https. Do you add your website? The reason I'm adding this https is because most times they'll buy it. Keep fit hacks.com. all right, so scroll down, they'll ask you for your region. city. Presently in Maiduguri. Alright, so I save. Alright, so contact done. So okay, something is missing. Alright, this is what is missing. Boronu. Alright, Maiduguri. Alright, so I save. Alright, done. Alright, so we go to owner, accounts. They'll ask for your name, they ask for your date of birth, okay, they ask for your nationality, Nigeria. They ask for your then they ask for your card details, they'll ask for your identification documents, then they'll ask for your number for the identification, then possibly they'll ask you to upload your means of, that is, they'll upload your document, the actual document you used for it. Alright, so I think I have one here. I think I do. Okay, this is it. Alright, so I upload it and I wait for it to load. Oh, it's telling me 99. Okay, 15. Okay, alright, so it's uploaded. Okay, they'll ask you to upload proof of address. I think I have one here. This is it over here. Okay, so done. As it loads, it asks to save, you save. Alright, I think this video is getting longer, but let's just finish up. And alright, account, your bank account details. Alright, we have me, I use JTB Guarantee Trust Bank, so you can put any bank you use. Alright, so I use this in my account details: 325066106. Most of this information I'm adding here. Alright, my name shows and I save. Alright, that is it. Activate my business. Alright, I click on activate business over here and it is done. Alright, so we are done. The business is live. You can see that is live over here. Alright, so on the next video we're going to be discussing how to properly use this account. Sorry about that. How to use this account to do a lot of stuffs. Alright, okay, see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and get live videos every week. We are uploading videos every week. In fact, if not everything, we are uploading twice in a week or 3 times in a week. Alright, please click the notification bell, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.